Boys, mga test, ito si Quiz Alan at ngayon araw ay meron tayong papanoorin bagong video pero bago lahat, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa lahat sa panonood ng mga videos ko here sa Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Russia, and Kazakhstan. So thank you very much. And also, hindi ko makakalimutan ang USA. Thank you very much sa mga support ninyo. So, nagtatagalo ako ngayon because ang i-feature or papanoorin kong video ay ang video ng TNT Boys na kasama ang isang Indonesian singer na winner ng Indonesian Idol. So, walang iba na si Annette. So, ang papanoorin yung video ay yung collaboration nilang dalawa ng TNT Boys at ni Annette. At actually, this is yung second o pangalawang pagkakataon na nag-collaborate sila. Ang una yung Stuck With You, nagagawa na ako ng reaction video nun. And itong pangalawa, itong All of the Stars. So, wala akong idea kung ano yung kantang yan or sinong kumanta nung song na yun, yung All of the Star. And di ko pa naririnig siguro yun. So, let's see kung ano yun. And excited na akong mapanood yung performance nila kasi matagal-tagal din tayo hindi natin napapanood yung TNT Boys, diba? Ito nga, huli kong napanood ang TNT Boys dito nga sa collaboration nila ng Annette. So, let's see kung ano yung i-offer nila dito sa second collaboration nilang dalawa ni Annette. So, without further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my opinion sa performance ni Annette at ng TNT Boys. Go! Laki na ng mga TNT Boys. Grown up na. Lapit na silang magbinata.
It's just another night and I'm staring at the moon. I saw a shooting star and thought of you. Sang a lullaby by the waterside. I knew if you were here, I'd sing to you. You're on the other side.
Annette.
As the skyline splits in two, miles away from seeing you, but I can see the stars from America. I wonder, do you see them too? So open your eyes and see the way of the horizon flees, and all of the lights will lead into the night with me, and I know the stars will bleed, but the world of our hearts believe. All of these stars will guide us home. I can hear your heart, the radio beat, playing chasing cars that I thought about. Back to the time you were lying next to me. I looked across and fell in love. So I took your hand that will lamplight streets and do everything led back to you. So can you see the stars over Amsterdam? Hear the song my heart is beating to. So open your eyes and see the way our horizons meet, and all of the lights will lead into the night with me, and I know the stars will bleed, but the world of see the stars from America.
Okay, there you go. Napanood natin yung performance ng TNT Boys at ng Indonesian singer na si Annette. And bago ko ibigay yung opinion ko, gusto ko manang pagkita yung pangalan. Gusto ko shoutout yung nag-request sa akin. So, she is, I think, Indonesian siya kasi yung pangalan is not Filipino. So, I would like to give a shout out to Rosak TV for your request on Annette and TNT Boys. For the song, for the performance of all of the stars. So this is my reaction video. So thank you very much for your request, Rosak TV. So I'm speaking in Filipino, but the one who sent me the request is an Indonesian. So well, try to translate it for Rosak. Okay. So ayun, napanood natin nga yung performance ng dalawa, TNT Boys and Annette. Parehong produkto ng mga singing competition. So, si Annette is a winner ng Indonesian Idol. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong year. Then, actually, nakagawa na ako ng reaction video niya nung time na nung part siya ng Indonesian Idol. So, I have no idea. I think maybe 2017 or 2018. Then, TNT Boys, alam naman natin yan. Tawag ng tanghalan. Di man sila winner, pero winner naman sila sa career, di ba? And yun nga lang, medyo nakakalungkot. Lately, hindi sila ganun ka-visible. Di ba, right after nung pagsali nila sa The World's Best, after nung wala na hindi na sila masyadong naging visible sa TV. And medyo nakakamiss, di ba? Lalo na yung mga performance nila. And also, ang lalaki na nila grown ups na sila, so I have no idea kung anong mga age na nila. And na-surprise ako kasi yung boses nila na-maintain pa rin nila, hindi pa rin nagbabago kasi normally yung mga ganitong ages nagbabago yung mga boses nila, especially for men, diba, na lumalaki boses nila, even though maliit yung mga boses nila, siyempre magbabago pa rin yan kasi nung bata ganyan. So I like it. At hindi rin nagbabago yung kanilang galing sa harmony, blending, maganda pa rin. And wow, yun lang, hindi ako masyadong makapag-react to sa song kasi hindi ko kilala yung song, so ngayon ko lang narinig. Pero ang ganda yung song, maganda yung ritmo, maganda yung everything sa song. So ayaw kong maging technical kasi may react sa akin about sa technicality ng song, nung mga music. So, hindi naman ako professional singer. So, I'm just a music lover. I love listening to music. So, any genre. So, yeah. So, yun. Hindi ako bibigay ng opinion about technicality ng mga song. Basta, yun. Kung ano yung naiintindihan ko lang, kung ano yung narinig ng tayo na yun lang. So, maganda po ang performance nila and happy na lumalawak yung ano ko ulit, yung naabot ng TNT Boys. So hindi na siya Philippines, hindi na siya sa US. So nagagawa rin siyang makipag i-share yung talent nila sa ibang bansa dito sa Asia, especially sa Indonesia. And I know na Indonesia is one of the, aside from the Philippines, Indonesia is also one of the countries in Southeast Asia na sobrang love ang music. So yeah. With Annette, hindi siya masyadong with Annette's performance here because she was supporting on this part. So compared in the Stuck With You collaboration, she was the main singer there. Here, it is the other way around. She was the one supporting the TNT Boys. So, but still, nice performance for Annette. And I'm missing the performance of Annette, just like what she did in the Indonesian Idol. So I would like to hear Annette's performance the same she did in Indonesian Idol. So because here in this song, she didn't showcases her real talent, real voice. same thing with DNT Boys, so hindi sila masyadong yun, ano may matataas yung boses nila. So, alam naman natin, di ba, ang tataas ng mga boses nito, mga bagang tayo. Yung parang kinakain na ang mga nota. Oy, wag kayo basta wag mong mag-isip na note ng music, nota ng music. Ayun. So, ayan. So, thank you very much again to Rosak TV for giving your request on me. So, thank you very much. So, I love this performance and I hope kayo mga ka-quiz, mga atis, nagustuhan nyo ba ang naging performance ng mga TNT Boys na minahal natin ng pagkatagal-tagal and na-miss natin sila, diba? So, yan. Mag-comment kayo sa dito down below and share your thoughts and opinions at babasahin ko. And, again, before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things. 4 things! Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, yun. Thank you very much. Have a nice day to all. Bye-bye!